Hello everyone, dear subscribers. Welcome to the channel. In this video clip, I will show and tell you how you can block in Messenger. Please put likes, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to open Facebook Messenger on absolutely any device. After that, find the contact chat that we want to block. Further, we open the profile of the person. Here appear various settings, and we click block. Further, we can block the person in Messenger and also in the phone book. If we want to do it, click block, and the second. We can also block the person also in Facebook. If we also want to do it, we click block on Facebook and block. After this person, we blocked both Facebook Messenger and just Facebook. And now the person will not be able to write a message neither in Messenger nor Facebook. If you liked this video and helped, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Thank you all for watching the video to the end. See you later. Bye everyone.